Hey green citizens, ever wondered how you can make your cleaning routine eco-friendlier without sacrificing effectiveness? Today, I've got a game changer for you, citric acid, a natural cleaning powerhouse that's both effective and environmentally friendly. Making your citric acid cleaning solution is like embarking on an eco-adventure. You'll need just a few simple ingredients. Number 1, pure citric acid powder. Number 2, distilled water. Third, you should get a spray bottle. As an added option, you can get some essential oils for that extra freshness. Now, let's dive into the magic of mixing. Start with 1 part citric acid to 2 parts distilled water. Adjust the ratio based on the cleaning strength you need. Do you need light cleaning? Mix in some white vinegar. For heavy-duty cleaning, throw in some baking soda. Once you've mixed your solution, it's time to put it to the test. Let's find out what we can clean with the citric acid solution that we made. Kettles and coffee pots. Just a teaspoon of citric acid and water can remove those stubborn hard water stains. After boiling, rinse thoroughly to reveal a sparkling interior, perfect for your next cup of tea. Removing grime and buildup from your dishwasher. Mix 2 teaspoons of citric acid and 1 teaspoon of baking soda into your dishwasher and run a hot cycle. This not only cleans, but also extends the life of your appliance by preventing buildup. Degunking washing machines. Use the same mix for your dishwasher in an empty hot cycle to keep your washing machine pristine. Regular maintenance every 2 to 4 weeks prevents odors and buildup, ensuring your clothes come out fresh. Removing limescale from faucets and sinks. A simple spray of your citric acid solution can dissolve limescale in seconds. Wipe clean for a shine that makes your whole bathroom or kitchen look new. Getting rid of stains from your toilet bowl. For tougher stains, a stronger citric acid mix sprayed directly onto the toilet bowl can work wonders. Let it sit before scrubbing to easily lift away unsightly marks. Disinfecting surface areas in your home. This green cleaner isn't just effective, it's also a potent antimicrobial. A quick spray and wipe on kitchen counters leave them safe and sparkling. Polishing up stainless steel equipment and surfaces. Avoid harsh chemicals on stainless steel appliances by using your citric acid cleaner. It not only cleans but polishes, leaving a streak-free shine without damaging surfaces. Descaling a water heater. Adding citric acid to your water heater can significantly improve its efficiency by removing scale buildup. Just be sure to plan this maintenance on a day you can go without hot water for a few hours. Cleaning shower heads. Dissolve away limescale that clogs your shower heads by soaking them in a citric acid solution. This not only improves water flow, but also the quality of your shower experience. And there you have it, green citizens. A powerful, eco-friendly cleaner that's not just kind to the planet, but incredibly effective. Remember, it's the small changes in our daily lives that make a big impact on our Earth. Join us on this journey to a more sustainable life. Embracing sustainable practices like this not only helps the planet, but also keeps our homes safe and clean. For more tips on living sustainably, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Together, let's make every day Earth Day.